A webinar, a portmanteau of web and seminar, is a powerful online communication tool that allows individuals, businesses, educators, and organizations to connect with a global audience in a virtual setting. Through webinars, participants can engage in live presentations, workshops, training sessions, product demonstrations, and discussions, all conducted over the Internet. Key elements of a webinar. 1. Host and presenter. The host is the individual or organization responsible for organizing and facilitating the webinar. The presenter is the person who delivers the main content, whether it's a presentation, lecture, or demonstration. 2. Audience. Webinars have a diverse audience base, ranging from professionals seeking knowledge in their field to students attending virtual classes. Participants typically register for the webinar in advance. 3. Webinar platform. Various software and platforms are designed specifically for hosting webinars, providing tools for streaming video, sharing slides, interacting with attendees, and moderating discussions. Popular platforms include Zoom, GoToWebinar, Microsoft Teams, and WebEx. 4. Content. Webinars cover a wide range of topics, from business and marketing to education, healthcare, technology, and personal development. Content can include slides, videos, documents, and live demonstrations. 5. Engagement tools. To enhance interaction, webinars offer features like Q&A sessions, polls, chat rooms, and virtual hand-raising. These tools allow attendees to participate actively and ask questions in real time. 6. Recording. Most webinars are recorded and can be made available for attendees to review or shared with those who couldn't attend the live event. Advantages of webinars. 1. Global reach. Webinars break geographical barriers, enabling hosts to reach audiences worldwide, regardless of their location. 2. Interactive experience. Webinars foster engagement through live interactions. Attendees can ask questions, participate in polls, and engage in discussions with both the presenter and fellow participants. 3. Cost-effective. Hosting a webinar eliminates the need for physical venues, travel expenses, and accommodations associated with traditional seminars or workshops. 4. Lead generation. Webinars are often used as lead generation tools. To attend, participants may need to provide their contact information, allowing hosts to follow up with them later. 5. Expertise showcase. Webinars provide a platform to showcase your expertise, establish authority in your field, and build credibility among your audience. 6. Education and training. In the education sector, webinars are utilized for virtual classrooms, teacher training, workshops, and professional development. Steps to host a successful webinar. 1. Choose a relevant topic. Select a topic that addresses the needs and interests of your target audience. 2. Determine date and time. Consider time zones and participant schedules when choosing a suitable date and time. 3. Select a webinar platform. Choose a platform that aligns with your needs, offers interactive features, and supports your expected number of participants. 4. Prepare content. Create engaging and informative content, such as presentation slides, videos, and any necessary handouts. 5. Promotion. Promote the webinar through various channels, including social media, email newsletters, and your website. 6. Registration. Use a registration page to gather attendee information and provide them with event details and access links. 7. Practice and test equipment. Familiarize yourself with the webinar platform, rehearse your presentation, and ensure your audio, video, and any other technical aspects work smoothly. 8. Engagement strategies. Engage with attendees throughout the webinar, encourage questions, conduct polls, and use chat features to interact. 9. Q&A session. Dedicate time for a Q&A session, allowing participants to ask questions and receive real-time responses. 10. Follow-up. After the webinar, send a thank you email to attendees, provide access to the recording, and encourage feedback. Webinars in different fields. Business and marketing. Companies use webinars for product launches, marketing campaigns, industry insights, and thought leadership. Education. Educational institutions use webinars for virtual classes, teacher training, and distance learning. Healthcare. Healthcare professionals offer medical education, patient support, and health awareness through webinars. Technology. Tech companies conduct webinars for software demonstrations, coding workshops, and technology trends. Personal development. Personal growth coaches host webinars on topics like self-improvement, career advancement, and mindfulness. In conclusion, webinars are versatile tools that leverage the power of the internet to create interactive and informative virtual events. They offer a means to connect, educate, and engage with a global audience, making them an integral part of modern communication and knowledge-sharing strategies.